Hey kids, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 4, Navigating and Painting, exercise number 5. This lesson looks like we have to do some debugging. Before we look at the code over here, let's look at our instructions and see what we have to do. Debug the program. This program is supposed to make the painter object paint the space in front of the paint bucket, but it has an error. Find and fix the error in the program. Down here, it looks like we have our painter moves over, turns left, picks up the paint, and then paints once. That seems easy enough. Let's go ahead and look at our code. We have our standard stuff here. We have our class header, our method header, moving twice, coming down here, turning left 3 times, moving once, taking the paint, moving, and then it is painting again. What could be wrong with it? Well, first looks, it looks like it's spelled pretty good, but you never know. And all my moves and turns look pretty good. I wonder what the error could be. And when you get stuck like this, don't worry. If you don't know what it could be, what we're going to do is run it, and we're going to see what the error is. Looks like we have, a whole bunch of stuff here. My painter, my painter, my painter. It looks like all of this stuff here is saying I can't find this variable, my painter. If we go up here, you can see we haven't created or instantiated our painter object. So everything is spelled right, everything is done right. We just forgot to create the my painter. Let's see if that fixes our problem here. And this is going to be creating, and it's going to be a painter, and it's going to be called my painter, and that's going to be a new painter. Don't forget your parentheses and semicolon. So this now is creating, I should say creating object here. I would spell instantiate, but kids, I would just spell it wrong. So we're going to say creating object. Let's go ahead and hit run and see if this fixed our issue. Looks like it works, just like our preview there. This time we forgot to create the object. Remember, Java is an object-oriented program, so you need an object to do things. Key takeaways from this lesson. Really, the key takeaway is diving into this my painter object. And we're going to get into this a lot more as we go through. So let's formally talk about this for a second. The first part, painter, is going to be the user-defined class name. We've seen this a bunch. Again, this goes to that class header, what we name it. The my painter is the reference variable name. New is the keyword. The painter object that we have after that is actually a constructor. Down the road, we're going to learn we can actually reference other objects that we created within the same superclass. Hopefully this helps you understand objects a little better. As always, if you have any questions, come see me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See you later, kids. Bye, bye, bye.